Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the products condition in our Cart Lock app. Open the Cart Lock app. First, click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the Products option. In the blank box that appears, add your desired products. You can add multiple products too. For this example, we'll add just one. Let's select the Selling Plan's Ski Wax. This means any order containing the Selling Plan Ski Wax will be blocked. Next, give your rule a name. This name is just for internal use. Now, set a proper message. This is the message your customers will see when the rule is triggered. Keep it simple and helpful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it. Your rule is now set. Now let's add Selling Plan Ski Wax to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As we can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because it contains the Selling Plan Ski Wax. Now let's remove Selling Plan Ski Wax and add other products to the cart. Once again, let's head to the checkout page and take a look. As expected, the error message is gone because we've added other products that aren't covered by the condition. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!